Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to change your email on Coursera.org. So obviously, if you've got a Coursera account, there's an email associated with your account. And if you want to change that email for whatever reason, what you would do is you would just go to the top right, and in here, you've got this whole drop down menu if you select this. And in here, click on settings. Once you're into these settings, you've got all these options. The default one is account, so this is the one which has open. And in here I could just simply change my email address by typing the new one. Could be anything, xyz at outlook.com, whatever email address you want to change it to, xyz at gmail.com maybe. And that doesn't matter the email address you're using. You could just change that, and you would just click on save. And if you're changing your email address, you would have to confirm your Coursera password. So you just type in the password which you're using with Coursera, and you would click on update email. And once you've done that, you would receive an email from Coursera on that particular email account. Since I'm just demonstrating, I'm not actually going to click it. And of course, it's a dummy email, xyz at gmail.com. So the email address which you have just typed in, you would receive an email from Coursera on that account. And in that, you would be asked to verify your email. And with that, you are simply done. It's a very simple process. And this is how you would change your email address on Coursera.